Hey guys, now it's winter and the weather is very cold, so people easily catch colds. So today I want to teach you how to make a little TCM remedy against cold using just 4 common kitchen ingredients. Let's get started. We need 30 grams of white radish, 3 slices of fresh ginger, 5 Chinese red dates, if you have it. If you don't have it, just leave them away. They are just for the taste. And 1 big spoon or 30 grams of honey. So now how to make our little Chinese medicine tea. It's very easy. We take the radish, the ginger, and if you have it, the Chinese red dates, and we put them into a pot. Then we add water until all the ingredients are covered. We start to boil it, and when the water boils, we change the flame to a little flame and we boil it for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes are over, we strain the liquid and it's basically ready. Then we let the tea cool to about 40 degrees and then we add the honey. You shouldn't add the honey directly to the boiling water because when the honey is heated to above 40 degrees, the structure of the honey changes and it loses its medicinal effectiveness. This recipe is best if you have a cold and you have white mucus. How to take our little tea? You just drink it throughout the day as you would drink normal tea. It doesn't have any side effects. So now why does this tea help against the cold? Well, according to studies, the white radish is rich in vitamin C and zinc, and it helps to enhance the immune system and increase disease resistance. It is also antibacterial, antimicrobial and anti-congestive, so it's especially beneficial to respiratory disease. Ginger, among others, contains gingerol as active ingredient. Gingerol can fight bacterial and viral infections, and it helps ward off bacteria which can invade the respiratory system. And last but not least, the honey also has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It helps to reduce the severity of coughs, and it also helps to heal sore throats. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you would like to have a PDF summary of the recipe, just click the link below and I'll email it to you. And as always, thanks for watching my channel and have a healthy week.